Planning a wedding is no easy feat. There's a lot that you and your soon-to-be spouse will have to consider. You probably have so many questions on your mind, like, what hand does the wedding ring go on? Hint, it's your left hand. You're welcome. So how does one establish the perfect wedding day timeline? Here's how it'll look if, say, your wedding ceremony is set for 2:30 p.m. Starting at 11 a.m., you and your partner's parties will be getting ready. From blasting music to getting dressed, you'll be pumping yourself up while preparing for the big event. Start your wedding day by giving yourself plenty of time to get ready. Larger groups means you want to block off more time to prep. At 11:15 a.m., the bride starts to prep. Anytime you plan on doing hair and makeup for your party, you need to make sure there is plenty of time to go through the works. At noon, the photographer is going to show up and start snapping away. They're going to be taking separate portraits of you and your partner to capture the day. At 12:30, you're going to start letting your family and friends join in on the photos. Don't forget to include your parents, your partner's parents, and the kids in the wedding party for this portion too. At 1 o'clock, you're going to get your first look at your partner as they're all ready for the ceremony. Aww. Be sure to keep the waterworks under control so the makeup doesn't get all over the place. If you are not already at the venue by 1:30, you got to get moving. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time to travel there safely. At 2 p.m., your guests are arriving at the venue. People are getting in their seats, the music has set the atmosphere, and you and your partner are about to make it official. And now it's 2:30. Time to get hitched. The length of your wedding will vary on what you have planned, especially if you're having a traditional religious ceremony. We recommend setting aside an hour, as you never know when things will go awry on your big day, from someone being late to some snafu causing issues, like a jealous ex or what have you. The rest of the day is going to feel like a whirlwind. But be sure to get those photos. Plan on 2 hours to get them all in. At 5 p.m., once photos have been taken, let everyone relax. Grab a drink, or 2 or 3, but not too many. Put on some music and allow people to mingle, laugh, and cry with joy. Once everyone is settled in around 6 o'clock, you and your spouse will join the party, making your entrance, being announced, and having your first dance. At 6:15, all other guests will be invited to the dance floor. Show off your sickest moves to your Lola. At 7 o'clock, relax, kick back, and finally grab a bite to eat with the first course at dinner. Because at 7:15, after you've given your welcome speeches, toasts from your party will be in order, particularly your parents and others. At 7:45, the main course is ready. The best man and maid of honor will be invited to offer their speeches at 8 p.m. Pray they haven't had too much to drink and they don't spill too much about your past. At 8:15, it's time to dance with the parents. Savor the moment as much as your parents do. At 8:30, things are winding down. Now's the time to cut the cake, serve it, and any other desserts that you have. Allow guests to grab another drink and get back to the dance floor if you want. Then around 9:30, it's likely that you'll be wrapping up your wedding at this point. If you want to keep the party going, feel free to do it as long as your venue allows. Otherwise, consider calling it a night so you and your spouse can finally make the night your own. With a precise schedule, you can ensure that your wedding goes off without a hitch. The only hitch that should be happening is the one that you two are performing. So congrats, you two. And by the way, if you have any leftovers, please feel free to give me a call.